Good day, everyone. This is me, Sneha Malsheti, with my partner Megha Singh. We are going to present to you our final project proposal for the course Advanced Data Sciences. So, what is our project about? So, it's basically Airbnb dataset analysis and prediction, and this is how the website looks. And as I like calling it, arises. Airbnb analysis arises. The next thing that we're going to talk about is our data set. Yes, so this is the link for which from where we are going to get our data set. We have basically three files called namely listing, reviews, and calendar data set. We have archived files for each city. The same three files for each city. We are going to keep our scope to two cities because the data is really huge. And yeah, we're going to scrape data and we're going to merge it. And let's see how that goes. Then in the listings dataset, we have details of each listing or each house or apartment or rooms that we're going to live in. And we also have reviews gives us a detail of many reviews on a single listing. We have calendar dataset, which gives us the availability information of each listing according to each day in a year. So if there are 5,000 listings, they're going to be 5,000 into each day of the year. That's 365 days in a year. uh, and besides that, our problem statement is this: Airbnb wants its analysis and prediction for prices available to their customers to make right decisions while choosing venues for providing good customer experience. Airbnb also extends its services to owners or hosts by providing their feedback on how they can improve business. Also, for investors, they decide to help them with searching for good investment opportunities based on location, based on the best model evaluation outcome. And they also wish to deploy these services on cloud. So that is our problem statement. Well, the project workflow goes like this. Firstly, we have data wrangling, variable selection, machine learning model, and then we deploy the model on cloud. So what goes in data ingestion? Data ingestion and data wrangling. Well, we are going to scrape data according to the region from web using Python. Then we're going to use data wrangling, cleaning values, handling missing data, Python and R. That's what we have decided. Um, well, for wrangling, it's just Python. Exploratory data analysis using Python for Tableau visualization, data analysis. Variable selection is the next step, where we're going to perform variable selection using Python or R, or maybe Python and R, selecting best features for prediction and classification. Train and test dataset. That's what we're going to do. Create a trained dataset using Python or R. So what we're going to do in machine learning model, we're going to perform prediction of venue price, we're going to perform classification of host rating, and we're going to predict area specific price range as well. Deploy the model. So what we're going to do in deploy the model, we're going to create APIs, we're going to deploy model using web app and cloud, create the front end for the user and access to analysis, and predict values. And we're going to dockerize these modules, the data ingestion and data wrangling part, and we're going to create pipelines for implementing them. Besides that, we might use Azure for our deployment of web app or our machine learning model. So the process for evaluation. Well, the problem is to predict price value for a venue as per the location. Using Airbnb dataset, we will predict prices for the available new venues as per the user rating and current market price. Prediction for price according to facilities and amenities provided in the venue for customers, and multi-class classification for host rating for individual host assessment. The summary of our application would be that the user can use the web application for analysis and prediction, present the analysis result using Tableau Python notebook. We're going to use the following tools: Python notebook, Matplotlib, RStudio, Amazon AWS, Azure ML Studio, Pipeline, Docker, all these for our web application. Let me briefly explain why we're going to use this. Python notebook for basically visualization, and Matplotlib is going to be used for again visualization. RStudio, Tableau is something we have not mentioned, but yeah, that is also for visualization. RStudio is for feature selection. Amazon AWS is for Amazon AWS is for everything else, like EC2 instance, S3, and Azure ML Studio pipeline is also being will also be done using Amazon Batch or Luigi, one of actually with one of these two, but mostly Amazon Batch. And we're going to use Docker to dockerize the entire process of data ingestion and wrangling. Now, this is how our user interface will look. We have created 3 personas: customer, hosts, and we have created 2 personas, customers and hosts. Each user case will have analysis and prediction. So this is how our homepage looks, where we are going to have users and property owners. We're going to have this is our user homepage basically, where we have the best deals. We have one analysis and one prediction case given for each of them. So this is our analysis and this is our prediction. Our analysis page looks like this. So according to the city, since the country is restricted to US, so it's going to be US, and the city is going to be any city that is there in the dataset. Besides that, we have user prediction page. We have so this is how our prediction is going to look. Our analysis tells us, according to the city, which are the best 3 listings in the place. This analysis, this prediction tells us that if you want to go somewhere which is in your budget, which is the best price that you can get, and with all the amenities that you want. So the amenities could be changed because we are considering these right now. So the owner homepage looks like this, and this is going to be how the owner analysis is going to work. So we'll be telling him his rating and some more analysis on based on the current market trends going on. So this is how it should look. This is not the final graph. We are going to be including a few one graph or more graphs. Besides that, this is the prediction for owner based on the different amenities and price range and the number of people, whether your listing or your house or your room is going to be rated good or bad. So you know where you stand before you even invest, before you even get into the application. So this is about it. This is our final project proposal. I hope you liked it, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. This is Sneha and Megha signing off.